get maximum clicks while having a defined budget spend. I think few more points that actually came to my mind is, one is you need to have a clear analysis of a given keyword on a daily spend. For example, what I say, let's say, see, the major challenge over here is to make sure that we are able to reduce the CPC. Perfect. Now, whatever changes we are doing on the account, how that is impacting a keyword, that check on a daily basis for a given keyword has to be done. So for example, if today I come to office, I should pull out day-wise report for last 7 days for a given keyword and check how the difference in the CPC pricing has happened for last 7 days. So I should know the trend, and I should also question myself, like, why on the first day the CPC price for this keyword was 70 and suddenly it has moved on to 90, and then next it has moved on to 110. So what changes was made, and again, while that changes was made, did I keep in mind that I had certain CPC target also to be met, so that I should not be exceeding my max CPC accordingly.
Okay.
That's something very, very important for us. Second thing is, second important point is, we should make sure that we have a email, not email notification, I could say. I think we should also understand that PPC is all about real time. So if we can check the CPC pricing on a real time basis for the keyword, then we know that somewhere, for example, like let's say morning when I come and check the PPC account, the CPC price for the given keyword was 100. I know that this is the keyword which can give me more of clicks, but my major challenge over here is to bring this 100 to 75. So I should keep a constant check while doing many changes and see whether that is impacting the CPC prices by taking it down or not, so that I am meeting my overall budget spend for the given day. That is the second thing. And what was the third point we had discussed?
I think the automatic.
Yeah, the automated flexible bid strategy. Correct? I think that was we
That
already
was
shared.
there.
Anything
I think
else?
the email notification.
Sorry?
Email notification.
Yeah, yeah. But that again, see, our challenge over here is to reduce the CPC. So end of the day, we are trying all the measures to reduce the CPC. So email notification, how that can actually play an important role over here, you can give a thought on that. And what else to this? Okay. So might be if we get some more ideas and all, we can add it up.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.